Hi lovelies, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you make home simple and special. Happy New Year! I hope 2019 is going to be a great year for you. I hope it's going to be a great year for me too because I am turning the big 50. And I'm looking forward to the memories and blessings that 50 will bring. And one of my beauty secrets is to not let my grays tell my age. For this video, I have let my grays grow in because I am excited to partner with Zotos Professional to show you an easy how-to tutorial on how to cover your grays for silky, shiny, and fuller hair. I work full-time from home, and on top of that, I love sharing how-to home organizing videos. So a simple, easy to maintain look from head to toe is important to me. The AGEbeautiful anti-aging hair color is only available at Sally Beauty. I chose the color darkest brown. The color reference number you can see here in the front of the bottle is 3N. There are two choices, the permanent liquid or the permanent liquid cream, both with vitamin E. I chose the liquid cream, which is just a personal choice. I chose the color darkest brown because I have a natural blue-black color. So I like to put a dark brown to my natural blue-black color because I just like the combination. As we age, our hair experiences 5 signs of aging. It loses volume, manageability, color, moisture, and shine. AGEbeautiful anti-aging hair color is the first hair color developed to fight all 5 signs of aging in your hair and in my hair. I have definitely seen all 5 signs of aging in my hair. My mom didn't gray until she was in her 60s, so I thought I would follow suit. But about 3 years ago, I had to start covering my grays about every 6 months. 2 years ago, about every 3 months, and then definitely in the last year, 8 weeks is pushing it, but I usually cover my grays every 6 weeks because they are out in full force, 3D, HD, 4K, everything. The color comes in a 2-ounce tube, so if you have thicker hair, get 2 tubes. My hair isn't thick, so I just got 1. If you're still unsure which product to get, you can ask the Sally Beauty associate for help. They may not be licensed to guide for hair, but they can give tips and steps. The one at my store was very helpful. After you pick your shade, you need to purchase a developer. 99% of the time, the 20 volume is the correct developer. This is the one the associate told me to get. Also, for the mixing ratio, it's about 1:1, meaning for every ounce of color, you need an ounce of developer. If you chose the permanent liquid, then you will need to use an applicator bottle. But if you got the liquid cream, which is what I got, then you could use the applicator bottle or a bowl and brush. These are just different sizes that you can use. And remember to get gloves. A measuring line there for 2 ounces. The ratio is 1:1. 2 ounces, 2 ounces, I'm going to put the whole tube. So remember, the liquid one has to be with an applicator bottle. This is the liquid cream, which can be either an applicator bottle or a bowl and brush. And the reason is that the liquid cream is a little thicker. Do a patch test to make sure you're not allergic. It's just a personal choice if you want the liquid or the liquid cream. I forgot to put my gloves on earlier, but I put them on right away. I was sharing earlier that there are 5 signs of aging in your hair. The one I've noticed the most is the lack of moisture. The funny thing about turning 50 is it starts a couple years ahead. Aside from the hair turning gray, I'm on social media and my friends are like, it's my 50th birthday. Wait a minute, weren't you just like 22, my age? And so it kind of prepares you when you see your other friends turning 50. You're like attending 50th birthday parties more often than before was never. What have I accomplished? You know, those kind of insecure thoughts went through my head, and I just made a decision to embrace it and be confident about it, that, you know, my life has been very blessed. I have a wonderful husband. We'll be married actually 24 years this coming weekend. And so I'll be turning 50 and I'll be 25 years married pretty much in the same like 12-month period. I have wonderful kids. I love my kids. Maybe one of the things on your bucket list is to finally get your home and life organized. Or maybe your bucket list is just simplifying. doing less things so that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. I think because of wisdom, knowledge, experience, mistakes, failures, we have an opportunity to actually learn, and we don't want to be an old dog that can't learn new tricks, good tricks, things that will not just benefit you, but the people around you. I'm going to finish up the rest of my hair. This one says leave it for 30 minutes for a regular application or 45 minutes if your hair is 50% gray. One thing to remember is that this hair color is different from the other boxed hair color that you get, because I've done those and they've lasted barely 2 weeks. Age Beautiful contains melanin, keratin peptide, silk protein, and a patented conditioning technology to replenish hair with the essential components that are lost with aging. The unique formula penetrates deeply and absorbs quickly to deliver beautiful, rich color. Hair then feels instantly fuller, silkier, and radiates with shine now. That sounds fantastic. That's what I want. The whole process takes about an hour 15 to an hour and a half. I like that it felt substantial, and it has brought moisture back to my hair. Check out the link in the description box below for more information about the Age Beautiful anti-aging hair color at Sally Beauty and to get more inspiration. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you like my new hair, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.